My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Volkswagen California Ocean Camper. This vehicle has done just over 35,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of the kitchen area, which is complete with a sink, cooker and fridge. We also have our portable table, which from the pictures we'll be able to see provides us with a dining area. Moving on to our first double bed. Again, from the pictures we'll be able to see that this transforms into 2 belted seats, making this camper 4 belts, 4 berth. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights. On the screen, using the buttons to the left, we can access our radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. To the right we have eject, navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, as well as MirrorLink, and our menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. And if we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of the pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.